we're team Brick by Brick. It's our co-mentors Jeffrey Reed and Alfred Watkins, and then Zion Henderson, me, Kyle Brown, Paul Lockett, and Gary Scott, all from Morehouse College. And of course, the only appropriate song that we could play here is
We built this city on rock and roll.
so I'll turn it over to Jeffrey to explain a bit about our project background.
Project background is trying to figure out the first steps to create urban renewal in St. Louis City, since there is a lot of blight, a lot of vacancies that exist in St. Louis. How can we redevelop and revitalize the city holistically so that opportunities can exist for people, which would impact housing, impact education, impact life quality in St. Louis?